I thought you had it, buddy.
I did too for a minute.
Then a minute later you didn't.
I did not have it. Thank you, Lord, that I didn't get hurt.
Hey, that's all that counts, man. You didn't get hurt.
No scratches on the bike.
Well, hey, there's no guarantee on that. That's part of mountain biking, buddy. Oh man, that was crazy last night.
It was like I could barely see down the road.
Yeah. Well, we're at Karen's car. She got new eyes, so I let her drive.
Oh, that's right. Didn't she say though she was having trouble?
Yeah.
Go ahead. Try out the new eyes.
That's it. You got to see how they work in adverse conditions.
That's right.
Is this a trail? Yeah. This is a trail, right? All right, where is it? It's down here somewhere. Where is there? Is that it? Okay. Find it. Oh, there it is. Okay. First time this season on it. Woohoo! Yabba-dabba-doo. Oh, I should have a lot faster than that, knucklehead. Ah, it's good to, always good to be out, man. Always good to be out. Woohoo! Oh, he's picked a tough one to go. I mean, farther back here. There's a little room. All right, which way you want to go?
Well, I'm going to be a glutton for punishment.
Okay.
I'd say we're going that way.
Oh, okay. All right, I'll let you lead the way.
Well, let's put it this way. I don't know how much longer I'll be leading the way. Last time I went up here, I ended up going around a tree that I didn't intend to go around. But somehow I did. Oh, that's good.
Hey, who put the rocks in the way? don't remember this one. Shoot. Wow. I don't remember going this one. I guess we did. Shoot, I should have went that way. Should have went this way. I'm gonna do that again. I think I picked the wrong line. I wanted to go that way, I needed more speed. I needed more speed if I was gonna go that way. But I think if I cut it, let's see. I'm trying to think, what's the best way around this thing? I don't want to hit that tree if I go that way.
Yeah, no tree.
They weren't too bad. Just a matter of pulling up, you know what I mean? Just a matter of pulling up the wheel on some of those little rocks. It's hard to remember from last year. That's why the first time by I was like, eh. Come on, Rick. You got this. You got this, buddy. You got it, you got it, you got it. Oh, man. Oh, you all right? I thought you had that one. You okay? We had a family here last Friday. That video is called Welcome to Our World. They were on this. It wasn't soaked like this though. These should be a little slick when they're wet. Man, woohoo, another awesome day in the Burg. If you want to join Brother Rick and I for just a nice, fun, friendly ride, message me anytime, man. We'll hook up. We'll find the time to meet up. We're just knuckleheads out here, man. We're just here to have fun. It's not competitive. Just out here to have a fun time.